15 minutes of fame.
You are now listening to 15 Minutes of Fame Radio.
Let's go.
Word. So yo, one other battle that the chat is talking about.
Word, A-Ward, I gotta see him too.
You want A-Ward?
A-Ward.
He know that though, but like no. I'm waiting for he's bullshitting. He gotta do.
You think you ready for A-Ward?
So he gotta. What? A-Ward ready for me? You gotta think
A-Ward
ain't really been battle tested though. Think about it.
Okay.
A-Ward beat Geechee.
A-Ward's be smoking niggas, yo. Don't sleep.
A-Ward beat
Real
Geechee
deal?
a week before he was
DNA?
battling me on Summer Madness 7.
Yo,
So you know,
listen,
we knew Geechee wasn't gonna take him
if
too
niggas
serious.
gonna keep using that shit as an excuse, then y'all need to stop
But it
booking
is an
those
excuse
battles.
though.
Nah, but stop booking
on,
them. Don't take
But
the
you know
battle.
what?
That's
But you a battle rapper, so you know.
I am.
You know
That's why.
it's happening.
That's
So
why
you know
I
why
don't
this
battle
going
that
on.
often, my nigga, because I know my
But-
range, my nigga.
But you know why this. But you know why this goes on.
And I know when I tried to do the back-to-back battles,
Can we
wasn't my best.
address why A-Ward though? Why A-Ward? That's like a random to me. Like
Random. Why you want to battle him?
because he been popping shit on Twitter and shit, and like he think he
Okay.
can fuck with me. And
Twitter
he
fingers.
and he won a battle. He went to battle too. So you know, and everybody think he that nice. So
Nah,
You know
he
what I'm
is nice though.
A-Ward got some shit.
A-Ward got some shit.
He got some
He
shit.
getting this
I
bag.
know,
A-Ward
but look,
fire.
peep the
He
pattern
fire,
though.
he
Like
tough.
you know what I'm saying. Like these are my guys right now though. But just peep the pattern though. Like when T-Top was at the top of his game, niggas was like, yo, this nigga, you know what I mean? Like
Ricky
that's one. Like
Schroeder,
and then,
face having ass.
That nigga T-Top about to put
Come
out
on.
a weight
Parker
loss
Lewis
DVD.
can't lose, face
When
having
Av-
ass.
yo, when they said Av, nobody Av was unbeatable. When they, around the time they was saying Av was unbeatable.
Clips
came
too.
in-
Clips too.
Come on, my nigga.
You
Clips
beat
too.
Clips.
Who beat Clips?
My nigga.
I got Suge beating Clips.
Suge beat
Of
Clips.
course.
He went on that run. Him,
Suge,
Saga,
you ain't beat
Come on,
T-Top. Yeah.
Bugging.
Suge, you
Of
ain't
course
beat
I
Clips.
did. Are you crazy?
I gotta watch that.
I gotta see it again, bro.
Are you crazy?
If you did, you did. I just got. I don't recall.
Come on.
I gotta watch that.
I smoked
Come
a lot
on.
of weed. I
You know
smoked
what
a
I'm saying?
lot of weed.
I
bro.
got you, Suge.
By the
Jersey.
time these
nerd.
niggas was at the top, like they was on the top of their game, like they unbeatable. Like I came through. You know what I'm saying? That's what I'm saying. Like A-Ward feel like he's unbeatable, but he ain't really like been battle tested though. Like besides Geechee, who the biggest person he battled?
Who A-Ward?
Yeah.
DNA he battled. He
battled
battled Real
DNA.
Deal, who's the champ right now. He battled. He got some battles.
He battled.
He ain't beat DNA though.
He just hasn't battled on that URL crowd
He
yet.
battled Cortez.
You know?
He did.
Yeah.
He battled
on
Cortez
KOTD.
on KOTD. He battled.
He got a couple tears on there. All right. Then
Yeah,
they
like,
called.
like he battling, but again, that URL crowd,
Yeah,
that
that's
shit
different.
different. Yeah, like
Yeah, it's different. It's
I
different.
think he can fuck with it
That
though.
is the
It's
truth.
different. You know it's
think he can
different.
fuck
It's
No,
different.
no, listen. I said that's the truth. That's the truth.
All that smiling and shit. Why you nah? That shit ain't gonna play. You know that. Not when I'm talking. At least not when I start
Savory.
talking, and then you got to talk back to me. Like all
Right.
that shit ain't gonna play.
hey yo, not only that, what's up
All
with the
that
K-Shine?
freestyle
We need that K-Shine rematch. That's what we need.
Nah, we can leave that in history where it's at, man.
Ooh, I like that answer too, though.
Yo, he battled Geechee, right? You battled Geechee, right?
Yeah.
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 I'm the one who got Geechee his first like big stage like Summer Madness. Like you know what I'm saying? Like after Geechee battled me, that's when he started, you know what I'm saying? He started getting big names, he started getting all the big names and shit. You know what I'm saying? You know I'm the gatekeeper though, you know what I'm saying? I gotta let you do. You know what I'm saying?
Well,
Talk that shit,
I
Suge.
taught you well, Suge. You doing good.
Yeah.
Man. Well, you came to the dojo, got your black belt, and went out into the world, a samurai. You welcome.
Yo.
I'm be honest with you though, like I don't think
My
A-Ward
G.
could beat him on the big stage.
Who?
They
A-Ward?
can't
Sure.
fuck with me, man.
In a volume, it might be a
This
problem.
nigga's playing. He can't fuck with me. I'm telling
Yo,
you.
not only that, Suge be doing good in the volume. Suge might have beat Rum Nitty in the volume.
I don't.
Nah, we're
Yes.
not gonna do all that.
We're not
We
doing
gonna do that.
We're not
That's
doing
high.
that.
Niggas will
boy.
say that, yo. Niggas
Yo,
will say
that's
that just
homie.
because, like,
That's homie,
niggas
that's
will say
homie.
that. Nigga,
Nah.
yeah, that too.
He
That
smoke
and
like
niggas will say that
that
just because, like it's just like, oh, it's just like you just wouldn't think it in a million years. Like, you know what I'm saying? Go back and watch that shit, man. Go ahead, man. I'm telling you.
Sway smoked you?
No, Sway ain't smoked me. Don't do that.
Stop it,
you was there. You was there. Come on, don't do that.
Yeah, he was there. You right. He was there.
Y'all was in there. He like out battled. Like I would say, he like out battled me that day. Like he hit me with that movie buff shit, and then it was like,
you know that everything.
You know that put it in neutral a little bit.
Yeah, you right. I hear you.
He hit me with the movie buff. That was the only. That bar was the only reason why the battle looked like niggas that feel like you like. Know what I mean, like.
You lost every round.
Watch me like that. I'm gonna keep that.
Suge, you lost
because of that. If a nigga say that, like I'm being 100. If a nigga say that, it's because of that movie buff line.
All right, whatever you want to say. But
go watch it. Go watch it.
What about the salad and vitamin water line?
I don't gotta watch it. I wrote it.
It was that movie buff line that was the one. Cause then I came because my round after that was some. That's how I was doing that.
Yeah,
I was just learning how to rap.
It damn sure fits you because you was going crazy with the movie scripts.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Early on. You was going crazy.
Right.
You was going crazy.
I didn't know how to
juice dialogue and all that. The whole, you know what I mean?
And remind you, I'm just learning how to rap around this time too. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like when I first started, like I'm just learning how to rap. Period.
He did
so I'm doing the movie shit
monologue in a battle.
So I'm doing the whole movie shit. Then you hit me with that, and I had like mad movie shit in my whole.
Oh, you would good.
But hopefully next time you don't do that movie shit.
Oh, you would.
Yo, I heard you, but I killed with the with the glasses got wings on the contact. Yeah, come on.
That was it.
I had bad shit that day though. Nah, that wasn't it.
That was it.
Nah, that wasn't it.
Suge's contact. He said the dudes in the chat saying Suge's contact bar was a room shaker.
It was.
Yeah.
What?
That shit was crazy.
That was crazy.
That was crazy.
That was dope.
That was crazy. That was it though.
Nah, that wasn't it. Y'all gotta go watch it. I was going off in that battle, yo.
I hear you. You did your thing though. It's a good battle. It's classic, definitely. You know what I mean?
It's definitely a good joint though.
But Joe, speaking of the you and Brooklyn Hands battle, what platform would you like to battle on with that battle?
We know what platform.
That's
I want to
that's
know
gonna
about
be
the
on your
A-Ward. Where A-Ward be?
A-Ward gotta go through the. He got URL. He gotta do a tune up or something. He gotta hurry up, man.
Yo, sure you ain't never did RBE?
Yeah, I had battle Rosenberg on RBE.
Oh yeah, that's right.
I was like RBE like second event or third event.
I remember, yeah.
That's when I started the What Your Life Like on Rosenberg on RBE. Right. I started What Your Life Like on RBE. Word.
Damn, that's crazy. That's history.
Yo, why you so dark? Yo, why you
15 minutes of fame.
You are now listening to 15 Minutes of Fame Radio.
Let's go.